So I had this question come in about whether it would be a good idea to wait to do the flush during a time when you might be on holidays or something like that. And the reason that I don't recommend doing that is because, number one, this is actually a really easy cleanse. Like, compared to every other cleanse I've ever done, this is the easiest one possible. It gives you the most extreme results, but it's the easiest thing to undertake. So all you need in order to be able to do this is a Saturday afternoon to a Sunday to be able to do the flush part of this. The week before, you're going to be drinking a special drink, either malic acid or a combination of apple cider vinegar and cranberry juice. So that's really easy. You just eat clean during that week. You don't have to eat any special diet. So if you're already eating clean, then this is going to be a really easy flush for you. Now, the reason I don't recommend waiting till like a special time is because in order to get the benefits of gallbladder flushing, getting the stones out of your gallbladder, is that you need to do it as many times as it takes until you don't see a stone or a flush where you get a flush where you don't see any stones. And that's how you know you've actually gotten all of the stones out of your gallbladder and out of your liver. So this isn't something that's just like, oh, you're going to do it once this year, so you're going to wait till this like perfect time. What you need to do is just decide to do it. And all of us can find a weekend, somewhere in a month where we can prioritize a day for ourselves, for our healing.